Hello, I am Sabyasachi Shah, Senior Developer at Techno Exponent. I just went through your post regarding the restaurant app development in Upwork, and I find that it is very similar to one work that we have done. So I am creating this short video to show you the app that we have developed. I also went through the attached document that you have given, so this gave me an idea about the wireframes and what kind of features will be there on the app. So let me just quickly show you the one that we have done. Its name is Quichen, and this app will function similar to your requirements. Now as you can see, this is one of the screens of the app, and here members can log in on the app. It is a normal email login, and then they can search for restaurants near them. Now there are different options through which they can search. They can use a GPS to find nearest restaurants there near them, or restaurants that are offering delivery, pickup, or catering services. Once they have selected all these options, they get a listing of all the restaurants near to them, which again they can filter alphabetically, or like the timings that they are open, the pricing of them, or through ratings. They can also just write down the name of the restaurant if they are familiar with it, and then find it if it's available on this database. So these here you can see the different restaurants are being listed here. They are showing the ratings they have received, their address, and the estimated delivery time, and what is the minimum order amount. So once a restaurant has been selected by a user, it goes on to show their different menus that they have. So the menus are categorized based on like the breakfast, then breakfast specials, then you may have like in your case most of them will be dumplings, as you have shown in this screen here. Like it will be like dumplings, buns, drinks. So they will be divided, and under each of these menu items or categories, the different items with the pricing will be displayed. They can be added to the cart by the user, and then finally once the entire billing is there, he can see the total billing in the cart section and then can check out. Now payment, as we have said, will be made through Apple Pay, and if a person isn't using Apple Pay, then his details will get, he can store all those details, credit card details. The app will be primarily developed with Apple or iOS in mind, so I don't think there will be an Android version. And since we are developing both Apple and Android apps, and we use native technology, so the user experience will be smooth. That this much we can guarantee you. You have also suggested several APIs that need to be built up. So here I'd like to ask you one thing, that will you only develop the app, or will also be a web front or a website rather, from where users can also sign in and log in and check all available facilities? Like for example, this app, this is the app, and its main website is this. The same features are available on the website also that are available on the app. Like here I can just put in an address and search restaurants. Now once the restaurants come here, we can just click on to see their details. Here as you can see, the menu and everything is shown, and this is the shopping cart. So if I want to add this item to my cart, I'll just have to click it, adjust the amount, give some special instructions here, and then we can add this to the menu cart and it automatically gets added and the cart gets updated. So this is one question that we have. Next is that you want to register everything through SquareUp API, which is great, as all details of your customers and the orders will be there. So you'll need the entire API of SquareUp. If you have already signed up with them, please provide us with the documentation. So in the end, I'd like to say you that we are quite capable of building this app, because this is not the only app that we have developed. We have 4 more apps running live on the on the Google Play Store and 1 on the Apple Store. We are also in the process of developing another 4 apps, both for iOS as well as for Android market, and I'll be putting all those links in my proposal so that you can take a look and decide. So thank you for listening to this video, and if you have any questions, feel free to just communicate us through Upwork. Thank you.